Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find recently watched TikTok videos. So if you ever wonder what have you been watching lately on TikTok and you want to see it again, this is what you are going to do. First, you can open your TikTok apps and then go to your profile. Hit on this three lines icon at the top right corner and then just go to the settings and privacy and find this activity center. So under the activity center, you'll easily spot the watch history. So watch history covers the whole TikTok videos that you've watched until now. So you can just tap on that and you'll see the TikTok watch history, which include the recently watched TikTok videos. But if you want to filter it by date, you can just click on this. For example, you want to see your watch history on last week, you can just tap on this last week and click on apply, and there you go, you'll see the watch history on last week. You can also select the watch history video here and you can delete it from your watch history by click on delete at the bottom and tap delete again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.